Valei Nature Reserve is situated 15 kilometers north of Dullstroom, a small town in Mpumalanga, more or less halfway between Pretoria and the Kruger National Park. Verloren Valei is not really equipped for individual tourist visits. There is no accommodation or other facilities inside the reserve, and the roads are jeep tracks that require good ground clearance and even 4x4 capabilities in places, especially when wet. It is, however, very well suited for guided group visits. Groups of students, botanists, ornithologists and photographers are regular visitors. Walking, cycling and self-drive are allowed inside the reserve. No water activities or fishing is allowed. Verloren Valei Nature Reserve is the only Ramsar wetland in Mpumalanga. More than 30 different wetlands of all types except pans make up the wetlands, which received its status of international importance on the 16th of October 2001. With no pollution, erosion or alien plants, the water is crystal clear and sweet. We visited Verloren Valei during early winter in June and were shown around by Hannes Marais, the wetland scientist for Mpumalanga Tourism and Parks Authority. Although it was in the dry season with very few flowers to see, he pointed out all the wetlands, plants, animal life and their interaction. With a high average rainfall of more than 800 millimeters per year, Verloren Valei is the source of the Landsklip River, a tributary of the Crocodile River. Water from the wetlands also contributes to the Olifants River that flows through the Kruger National Park. This 6,000 hectare reserve is famous for the numerous species of ground orchids and other plants that present a spectacular display of indigenous flowers in summer, October through to February, attracting butterflies of all kinds. Verloren Valei Nature Reserve is also part of an important bird area, boasting birds such as grass owls, marsh owls, longclaws, rock thrushes, and the extremely rare white-winged flufftail. This is the only region in South Africa with breeding populations of the endangered blue crane, crowned crane, as well as the wattled crane. Good cooperation with neighbouring property owners is essential on these grasslands. The cooperation is most evident with fire prevention, fire management and fire monitoring. Dullstroom and its surroundings offer a lot of accommodation options, from basic camping to ultra-luxury establishments. We stayed at Lingalonga, a trout fishing farm right next to Verloren Valei. We were very impressed with the quality and class of the self-catering chalets, not to mention the magnificent views over the valleys and the trout dams.